Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to Claude Code integration with OpenRouter AI, no GPU required. Before we start, you will need Git and VS Code installed. I already have both installed, so let's continue. Open web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use your favorite browser. Go to search. Type here Claude Code. Quick Start. Press enter. Go to first link. Quick start Claude Code docs. Scroll down. Accept all cookies. Claude Code installation command. Copy this command. Go to Windows search. Type cmd. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes. Now prompt open. Paste the copied command here. Press enter. It's getting error. No need to worry. Sometimes it's happen. Now run again this command. Press enter. Setting up Claude Code. Installing Claude Code native. As you can see, Claude Code installation completed. But you need to set up Claude path on PC. Select this path. Copy this path. Go to Windows search. Type environment. Click on Edit the system environment variables. Click Environment Variables. Select Path. Click Edit. Click New. Paste the copied path here. Click OK. Click OK. OK. Now check Claude. Type here Claude help. Press enter. It getting error. Type cls. Run this command again. OK, now close command prompt and open again. Now type here Claude help. Press enter. Now you can see Claude command is running. Close command prompt. Open new tab in browser. Type OpenRouter AI. Press enter. Now the OpenRouter AI official website is open. Click on Sign up. I am login with Google account. Now I am sign in as Google account. Go to Personal. Click Credit. Click API keys. Click on Create. Fill name for key. I am given it name called Claude Code free version. Set the expiration of key. You need to choose your according. But in this video demonstration I will choose 1 hour. This means my API life is 1 hour. Click on Create. Now the key is generated. Copy this key. I am saving this key on Notepad. Go to search. Type Notepad. Click on Notepad. Notepad is open. Paste the key here. Save this file. Put name of this file. I am given it name API. Click Save. Minimize Notepad. Close key. Minimize browser. Go to File Explorer. Click on this PC. Double-click C drive. Double-click User folder. Double-click Admin folder. Double-click .claude folder. Settings file here type is JSON source file. Let's right-click on it. You have two options. First is open in directly VS Code. Second is open with Visual Studio Code. Now setting is open here in VS Code. Go to web browser. Open new tab. Go to Google search. OpenRouter. Integrated. With Claude Code. Press enter. Click on first link. Integration with Claude Code. Scroll down. Go to step 2. Connect Claude to OpenRouter. Click Project Settings Files. Copy this code. Go to VS Code again. Select all. Paste the code here. Anthropic auth token. Open Notepad. Copy this key. Minimize Notepad. Now select this. Paste the key here. Anthropic API key. Inverted comma. Comma. Press enter. Inverted comma. Anthropic. Underscore. Default. Underscore. Sonnet. Underscore. Model. Colon. Go to browser. Click Models. Search Models. Type NVIDIA. You can see NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Super free. Let's click on it. Go to address bar. Select this. Copy. Go to VS Code. Inverted comma. Paste the address here. Comma. Press enter. Now copy this. Paste it here. Remove Sonnet. Type Opus. Go to web browser. Type GLM. Free. Now GLM model free here. Let's click on it. Select this. Copy. Go to VS Code. Select this. Paste the address here. Remove comma. Click on File. Click Save. Close VS Code. Go to Windows Search. Type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Type Claude. Press Enter. Now Claude is open. Press Enter. Press Enter to continue. Yes, I trust this folder. Press Enter. As you can see the model. NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Super. Now type here. What is my current model I am using? Press Enter. Now see the result. You are currently using the model NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Super. Now see the available model. /model. Press Enter. As you can see the available model. GLM 4.5 Air Free. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to integrate Claude with OpenRouter. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.